Welcome back, people. We are back on the client project. Of 2 weeks later, a lot's been going on, couple challenges, couple hurdles, but that's what it is in business and that's what it is in construction. So let's not waste any time, go straight through it and I'll show you what's been going on. As we enter into our double open plan front room, as you can see already, a lot of changes has happened. First fix plumbing, we have boarded up the ceilings and boarded up the wall. From the previous episode, if you lot check that out, you would have seen that there was no ceilings at all in this place. It was completely stripped out because of the damage that was done. But now you can see that, it's all been plastered, it's all been boarded up, it's been nicely skimmed, and it's already starting to dry. What I like about this stage is, is like when you're in your first fix and your first fix stages, is that you don't really, it feels like nothing is happening because it's just cables going up and it's just pipes and plumbing. Now, as we enter the plastering stage, you'll be able to at least see visual differences. So this is when you're going to start seeing a lot more carpentry happening. You're going to get the first coat of paint. And especially for the client, as soon as they see that first coat of paint, it feels like, yes, something is actually happening. But we're all moving. So in this room here, as I said before, all of it's been fully plastered now and it's been boarded up and the first fixes have all been completed. In here, as we go into the kitchen, this is yet to be fully boarded up because what we're going to be doing is we're going to be securing the flooring a bit more, just securing the joists before we board it up to make sure there are no problems moving forward with that. But the kitchen design's already been planned and Howden's already at my case, at my neck, ready to put my order in. But the thing is with having projects like this is that as much as you want to get everything fast and get everything going, you can't actually have all the materials at site. Because even if you take a look around now, there's a lot of things on site. So you want to make sure that the things on site can be used at that time. There's no point having a kitchen here, wasting up space and it's just blocking people from getting past, getting through and just messing up the site for no reason. Because we want to keep a clean site, a clear site as much as possible. So before we board this up, we're just going to do some extra supporting, board it up, and we're going to have a nice kitchen in here. Already been designed. We've got some good tiles going on here. And as we said before, it's going to be spotlight throughout here. So let's not waste any time. Get back upstairs. And upstairs is where you'll be able to see a big difference because it was our open plan bedrooms here. But as we move up, you'll be able to see that, literally it's all been boarded off. Into the bathroom, all the first fixing's been done. So the current design for this bathroom, it's a nice big open space bathroom. So before here, you guys would have seen there was not even a wall here. This was like a complete open plan because this wall was very weak. So as we was ripping the doors off, it essentially fell down. So it needed to be reboarded, re-strengthened and stuff. So first fix, it's been done here. You've got your plumbing. So we're gonna have an 800 basin, 800 sink unit here. And then we're gonna have the bath going across here. The toilet's gonna be in, that's gonna be a new toilet. You don't rip out the toilets because what the worker's gonna use. So every time you come onto a project and you see that the toilet's still in there, is because, people need to use the toilet. Where you're gonna have a nice walk-in shower here. We're gonna go for big tiles here. I think the tiles are like 600 by 600, but I could be wrong. It could actually be bigger, which is gonna be really nice. Everything's kind of gonna be like integrated, so you won't even be able to see these pipes. So yeah, it's going to be really, really nice in here. I'm looking forward to this shower bit here because looking at the plans, if you're lucky, I might pop up some of the design plans that we've got coming up. I'll see, we'll see. It's going to be a very neutral colours, going to have like greens, some browns, very nice and modern bathroom that we're going through. Shout out to Ren, project manager. He loves his designs, so he really went all out with this one. Now heading into this bedroom here. This was the master bedroom, but the biggest bedroom is a weird one. There's basically two big, master bedrooms in here, but as you can see already here, it's all been boarded up and it's received the first coat of plaster, which is really good. So everything, electric's gonna stay in the same position, radiator is gonna stay in the same position, and this is gonna be a really big bedroom. The only annoying thing, what I said before, is as everything was down and everything was knocked out, you could see how many bedrooms you could get out of this. out of the surface, the floor plan, you could probably have got more bedrooms out of it, but we wanted to do this cost effectively as possible and towards the client's requirements. So it was just best to keep everything in the same position and moving forward and just optimize the design aspects of it. But yeah, this bedroom's complete. Move in here. This was the second bedroom and this was the small bedroom. But as I said before, remember, I'm not sure if you could look back to the last episode, we spoke about, you know, being able to move this wall across, and we did slightly. So this room kind of benefits from it being slightly bigger, because if you look down here, you'll be able to see this was the radiator and it was up against the wall. So we was able to at least give this room a couple more inches here to gain extra space. So essentially you can still fit a small bed here, but you know, we don't know what type of family or people are going to be staying here, so there's most likely going to be using this as maybe wardrobe space, spare room, guest room, or just like a work from home study space, which is what a lot of people are going for at the moment. So this is good, still going to get nice lighting, and it's got, you know, good windows into the view of the road, and it's a quiet road anyway, so there's not going to be much disturbance there either way. Lastly, into the final bedroom. There's a lot going on, so we'll be very quick. Sorry, guys. This is the final bedroom, which is the front of the house. So this is the final bedroom, number 3. So as you can see, it's a bit smaller than that. So I don't know which one's the principal bedroom, because I would have thought the principal bedroom is the one at the front of the house, and it's got the nice big windows. But hey, doesn't even make a difference. But as you can see here, all of it been boarded up again, and it's getting its coat of plaster. So this should be ready soon for the first mist coat, and then we're going to start the second fixes on this bedroom. So I'm just going to get straight out everyone's way, because, you know, I don't want to disturb anyone too much. Be able to show you guys what's been going on in this project, take you on a journey, and hopefully the next time I come around here, there'll be things that you'll be able to visually be like, oh my gosh, this is what's happening to this property, because the plans that we've got for this and the designs that we've got, absolutely insane. It's going to look luxury. That's what we're going for, a very luxury family feel on this one. So I actually can't wait on this one, and it's one of the biggest ones we've done as a full house. Like, I'm so used to working with a lot of different flats, but as a full house and building a product for a family is something I'm really excited about. So stay tuned again for another update of this client project. Make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel, like, comment, share below, and follow me on Instagram at EthanXHammond if you want all the daily updates, what I've been going through, and life of running a property development business, life of an entrepreneur, all them things there. So just stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video.